Did you know that crispy chana Koliwada is a popular street food that can be made in just 30 minutes? How awesome is that? Today you will learn this perfect snack for any occasion, whether it's a party or a cozy night in. Trust me, you're going to love this recipe. Welcome back to my channel, Roaming Cuisine. So let's dive right into it. First, let's go through the ingredients you will need. Grab a cup of chickpea, soak overnight and quickly pressure cook them up to 1 whistle. Once it is done, strain it and keep it aside. Now in another bowl, take 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of salt, cumin powder and coriander powder, a pinch of black pepper, and this is a paste of few chickpeas you should definitely add. Now give a good mix to all the ingredients. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Add few crushed garlic and ginger. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can use any other veg oil. Adjust the consistency with water. Now add the entire boiled chickpeas and coat the entire masala. Do not overcook chickpeas, otherwise it will spoil the entire dish right here while coating it with all the ingredients. To get that perfect crisp and coating, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour and chickpea flour or besan. Finding quick and delicious snack recipes that are both healthy and satisfying can be pretty tough, right? We often end up munching on some old chips or cookies, but don't worry. That's where this crispy chana Koliwada comes in. It's not just quick and easy but also packed with flavor and nutrition. Give a good mix and in just few steps you will be ready to fry these babies up. Once your oil is hot, it's time for the fun part. Drop spoonfuls of mixture into the oil but separately and watch them sizzle. Make sure to fry them until they are golden brown. Now here's a pro tip. Don't overcrowd the pan or they won't get that perfect crunch. You want each piece to have enough space to cook evenly. You're going to love the aroma filling your kitchen. And then the moment we have all been waiting for. Taking your golden brown chana Koliwada out of the kadai, the sound of that irresistible crunch, just look at how perfectly crispy they are. Serve them hot with some Chaat Masala, tangy chutney or ketchup. It's really that easy. You can whip this up in under 30 minutes, making it a go-to recipe for any occasion. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts and subscribe for more amazing recipes. I can't wait to see you in the next video where we will explore more delicious recipes together. Until next time, happy cooking!